That's the main thing. It's like, how far forward should I go before I need to stop?
Forward enough so that you can leave the road when you have time, but not too far forward so that you're basically pushing everyone else out of the way.
Yeah.
And what you just did there was absolutely perfect. That's exactly what you need to do.
That's good news.
Yay!
Little wins today.
Yes, absolutely. Very good. Okay, so coming up again is Millbrook Roundabout, and we are going to be taking the third exit on the right. Now remember what I said about you don't necessarily have to be in the right hand lane if you're turning right.
That looks lovely.
So the third exit is signposted M271, the West, Redbridge and Totton.
So I need to be over here.
So have a look at that
got
sign.
that sign.
Which one can you be in?
I can be in either.
You can, so I would definitely move back over.
Okay. I was looking at going.
Yeah, you've got the option for both, and left is best.
Okay, that's fine.
Really well spotted, actually.
I was going, oh, the sign says, and I assumed it would be over that way because it's the third exit. But it's not. You can go
It's
either
not
way.
the end of the world if you're in the right-hand lane. It just means when you come off the roundabout, you're going to
You've
be
got to
in
move
the
over more.
overtaking lane. Yeah.
No thanks.
So by coming into this lane, staying in here, when we come off the roundabout, we're in nobody's way. We're not, you know, not being undertaken in any way, shape or form. So as we're in the left-hand lane, these guys are in the right-hand lane. Taking the third exit.
Right.
Exit number 3.
Okay. So I don't want to be in that. Oh, come on. So I want to stay in this second one.
You do, well done.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to try and remember that little clutch there.
Yeah.
That was very, very close. With the
That was
silver
really
van
close,
behind
yeah.
us.
I can keep going. So that was 1, this is 2.
Very good.
Okay.
Your lane discipline is beautiful. You're nice and central, which I like.
And then it's this one.
Yes, well done.
Okay. Not so bad.
It's very
Apart
good.
from the little
Apart from
clutch
the little,
problem.
yeah. He's got his head screwed on today, which is good news for us. Because if he wasn't paying attention, that would have, yeah.
Would it?
Yeah, it was bad. Whoops. Okay, so we're going to slow it down here just a little bit because we don't know where these people are going. Some of them are going to the right.
Sorry, God. It was very close.
Yeah, it is only one lane.
Yeah, okay.
So we don't want to get next to anybody in that lane if we can avoid it. So what's the speed limit here?
40.
Oh, what happened? Yeah, good.
There's a sign there.
Ah.
I'm cheating a little bit. Just a little bit. You're like, well remembered. I'm like, yeah. I can't remember it.
So what we're going to do is we're going to stay in this lane, but we're going to keep right in this lane because you can see just a little bit further down it does spread or split into 2.
Okay, so I don't need to say I can just go over.
Very good. How comes? What
Because there's no line.
Goodness me, fantastic.
If I was still in there, I'd need to signal to come over here, right?
Brilliant.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely perfect. Well done. So this is another spiral roundabout, but we're just going to go all the way around this one so we can head back towards Millbrook.
I have to stop here, don't I? Yeah.
Solid white line, yeah.
I was looking for a white line up there. I was going, am I going over that? No.
So have a look at this car here very quickly, where he is in relation to that solid white line.
Oh,
He's got
really
plenty of
far
space.
away.
Yeah, we have stopped quite short of it. I think you look and you're like, right, I should stop now, but definitely get into the habit of bringing it just a little smidge closer.
There we go.
That's better. Well done.
Okay. So I'm going where that third arrow is.
So you're in the right-hand lane. What lane are you going to drive into on the roundabout?
Right hand one.
Brilliant.
Because there's 4, which I don't really like.
There's a bus lane.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going over here.
Good. Well done.
Which exit are we taking?
We are going to take the 4th exit, so we're going all the way around. I will help you with this.
Okay, so that's 1.
Yep. Here's some sirens. I don't know where they are, but we're just going to keep 3 is the motorway, and we need number 4.
Don't want to go down that one. So if I stay in this left one.
Yeah. That's it, sorry.
It's
You
alright.
were about to leave.
No.
There is a keep clear here, so we're going to have to stop just here. Well done. That was number 3, so
4 is where the lorry's going.
what could we do now? Good. I don't know if the lorry is not going to number 4 because that's that lane where all those cars are driving.
Oh, okay, so he's going to go round again.
He's going over that way, yeah.
So I've got to wait for this front bit to be clear.
So I would start going now. That's it, well done. Good.
And then up here.
This is ours, yeah. Very good. Oh dear, that's naughty.
Naughty.
Naughty. She's waving the finger.
I've got proper finger wag on today. I keep doing that.
So we are in the right hand lane. Those white arrows indicate that we should be moving over. We're going to check your mirrors. We don't need a signal. There isn't a centre line.
Okay.
But we are just going to make sure we get in front of this van. Well done. And once again, here we are. We're back in this lane. We're heading back towards Millbrook Roundabout.
Stay in this lane, yeah?
Stay in this lane.
Okay. That was a lot of roundabouts all in one go. Ripping it.
So if I said Holly, I would like you to turn right at the roundabout heading towards Dockgate 20. Would you be comfortable doing that on your own, do you think? Give it a go.
We can try.
Yeah?
If I start going wrong, we could be like, wait.
I will always help you, I promise.
Oh, so this is, we came this way first time?
We did, yeah.
Okay. So I can stay in this lane, because this is the one with the writing.
Very good.
Right. Oh yeah. Dockgate 20.
And the signs also say that this is the only lane you can get into for Dockgate 20.
Okay. I'm looking at it going, 1, 2. So 2 is by Screwfix.
It is, yeah. I think also really important to remember that this roundabout is traffic light operated. So again, once you're on the roundabout, look up and anticipate
there's
that
one
they change.
right there.
There are quite a few on this one, yeah.
Okay. Because that last one, there wasn't any
No.
on the roundabout.
No.
Which I kept looking up and I was like, am I stopping? No. Am I stopping? I kept expecting there to be a traffic light and I was like, there isn't one. Because they're stopping, aren't they? Because they've got traffic lights.
Yeah.
Right. So I want to go, follow these lines. In that one. That's still green.
Good, well spotted.
I'm staying in this one. That's still green. And then it's this one, isn't it? That one's still green too. Oh,
What's going on?
lots of green. That's good news. And then it's here.
Brilliant. What we're going to do is take the next road on the left-hand side.
Okay. Keep going. There's a lorry behind us.
Very, very good. And again, we're going to anticipate the cyclists because we have to give way to them. So you want to look both
I was going to
ways.
say, I can have a look now and see.
The hedges are quite overgrown, so it's difficult to see anyone coming from this direction, but definitely worth giving in. Very nice. And at the end of this road, we're turning left.
I can pull up. Can I pull up in there? Or
Yeah,
do
you
I have to
can, yeah.
It's not backwards, shall
Thank you. So once again, we are going to get into the middle lane here, Holly. Middle lane.
So I can keep going because it's
Yeah,
stopped.
yeah. They have different traffic lights to us to enter this roundabout.
Okay.
So this time, last time we were here, we took the third exit, which was KFC.
Yeah.
This time around, we're taking the fourth exit, which is just one further around, okay?
Okay.
So talk yourself through it. I'm in the middle lane. I'm going to drive into the middle lane on the roundabout. That is where I'm going to stay until I reach my destination. Then I'm going to mirror signal left and leave the roundabout.
Okay. Because if you're in the middle lane, you pass the third one in the middle lane because it spins you out to the third exit, spins you out to the left, and then you can go round one more and go off the fourth one. Yeah?
You're going to be in the left-hand lane by the time you get to the third
Yes.
exit, but you can stay in the left-hand lane.
And then
to
you
come
just
off
stay
at the
there
fourth.
and signal on the fourth.
Yes, yeah.